On this part, we are going to create an action, and we are going to use this action to like and to dislike a post. For that, in Visual Studio, we just need to go to the Home controller. And then in this controller, I'm going to create, just scroll down. I'm going to create another HTTP post, public async task of iAction result. And we can name this toggle post like. This is going to take either a parameter like just the int post ID, or you can create another view model. I'll just go to the Solution Explorer, and then in the view models, inside Home, right click, then add class. I'm going to name this post like VM. Then here you can pass both the post ID and also the user ID, or we can just remove the user ID and we can get it in the action level whenever we add the user authentication. So let me just copy this name, then go to Home Controller. I'm going to use it in here. And then post like VM. Then inside here, the first thing that we are going to do is that we are going to get the logged in user. And for now, we have said we are going to use int logged in user is equal to 1. So we're just going to hard code this value. And then we are going to check if this user has already liked the post. So check if user has already liked the post. And for that, you just need to check if in the database we have a record where the post ID is equal to the post ID that is being passed from the form, and the user ID is the logged in user ID. If we have a like, it means that we are disliking. So if like is different from null, then we are just going to remove the like from the database. And for that, just type in here await, then context, then likes, then remove, and then the like. Let us remove the await from here. And then just await context dot save changes async. Otherwise, it means that the user is liking this post. So else, we're just going to create in here a like object, var new like is equal to, and then new like. The parameters are going to be just the post ID, which is the post like VM dot post ID. And the second parameter is going to be the user ID, which is just the logged in user ID. Logged in user, let me just actually change this to logged in user ID. Use it here and also in here. Then we are just going to add it to the context. So await context dot likes dot add async, new like, and then just await underscore context dot save changes async. And then at the end, for now, we are just going to redirect the users to the home page. So return redirect to action index. Let us save the changes. And this is all you need to do in this part. In the next one, you'll learn how to call this action.